This is exactly how to make money with TikTok Shop affiliate. I'm not going to gatekeep anything. I'm going to show you the entire blueprint. I will show you how people with zero prior experience are able to generate thousands of dollars a week by promoting other people's products on TikTok. Plus, I'm going to show you the exact proven strategy that they use to go viral on TikTok and rack up a ton of sales and commissions. If you pay attention and follow the steps, this might just be the easiest online income stream you start this year. So let's lock in and take notes. So first, let's talk about what is TikTok Shop affiliate and why is this such a big deal. In simple terms, when you become a TikTok Shop affiliate, it lets you earn commissions by simply promoting products from the TikTok Shop. You don't need to create the products, don't need to hold any inventory, don't even need to ship anything or handle any customer support. All you need to do is to promote the products in your TikTok videos and get paid for it when people buy through your links. When you're scrolling on TikTok and see a product link on the bottom, those are TikTok Shop affiliate videos. When people watch your video and decide to purchase the product, then you would earn a commission. This business model is that simple. You're literally getting paid to drive traffic to other people's products. There are already countless people who are making simple TikTok videos and getting paid thousands of dollars for it. Look at this example.
No. No. Guys, I need you to spam Rozzy chill.
This simple 6 seconds videos generated over $18,000 in sales, and with a 10% in commission, this creator made over $1,800 of take-home profit from this one video. So here's how the commissions work. Most products on TikTok Shop offer 10% to 20% in commission. If you're promoting them as an affiliate, a $40 product at a 20% in commission, you would earn $8 per sale. You post one good video, and let's say it gets 10,000 views, even at a 1% conversion rate, that can get you 100 sales. In this example, that would equal to $800 of profit. And if you do this right, with the method that I'm going to show you, you can start stacking real income real fast. Next, let's talk about how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. First, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have at least 5,000 followers in your TikTok account, and you need to comply with TikTok community guidelines. Now, if you don't meet the followers requirement, don't get discouraged just yet. There are still ways that you can get started, such as growing your account to 5,000 followers, or the other option is to simply purchase an account that already have 5,000 followers. Next step is the most important step, which is to find winning products. Choosing the right products is absolutely key to this business model. This is where most beginners mess up. They pick random products that nobody wants. That's why I recommend using a tool like fastmoss. It's basically a cheat code for finding trending winning products on TikTok Shop. fastmoss can show you which products are blowing up right now and what kind of videos are already going viral for them. It shows you exactly what's working, so you can just copy what's proven instead of just guessing. This tool will save you hours of time researching and help you make more money faster. So let's go to the first link down in the description below, and then we'll be able to log in to fastmoss, where you can get a 15-day free trial to fastmoss, so you can try this tool absolutely free. So before we start searching for winning products on fastmoss, let's first talk about what makes a winning product. So here's the viral product selection guideline that I like to follow. First of all, the product needs to solve a specific problem. Second, it can go viral on TikTok, so it's got to be something that's unique. And lastly, it needs to have mass appeal. It needs to appeal to a large group of people. So whatever product that we choose, it needs to follow these 3 big guidelines. And I also recommend using the following filters. In terms of the commission rate, I like to go for products that has a 15 to 20% in commission. That is the ideal range. Next is I like to look for products that have at least sold 1,000 units in the last month. That will show at least some type of high demand, preferably if the product has really good ratings. And in terms of the price range, I would like the product to be $100 or less, so that it could be more of an impulse purchase. And here are the products that we are going to avoid. We are going to avoid products that already has extremely high sales. So any product that already has over 100,000 sales, for example, because it's likely oversaturated. We're going to avoid products that don't solve a clear problem. We already talked about the importance of that. And we're going to avoid products that is difficult for you to create content with, because at the end of the day, you need to create content on those products in order to make sales. So if a product is difficult for you to create content on, I would definitely avoid those. All right, so now that we know what type of products to look for, we can now jump into fastmoss and look for the potential winning products by following the guidelines. So once you're logged into fastmoss, we can come to find products, and then you can choose a product category that you sell in. So if you come to expand, you'll see all the different type of product categories that you could choose. So for now, we are going to leave it at all. And under filters, with commission rate, we are going to select more than 15%. For e-commerce strategy, we are going to select video e-commerce. So we are mainly looking at the TikTok affiliate videos instead of lives. So you can choose this accordingly. If you want to look at live, we definitely can do that as well. For units sold, we are going to select 1,000 to 5,000. Fulfilled by TikTok is good, so that you know the products are being fulfilled properly by TikTok. And under advanced filter, we can select top selling products. So this is referring to the products with high units sold and high growth rate in the last 7 days. So using these filters, I would just go to look for the products that meets our criteria. So let's look at this one. So this one is a solar powered fishing hat with a double fan. So you can see all the product information here. You can see the total units sold, the revenue that it generated, how many affiliates are promoting it. You can also see the viral index score. So the higher the score, the higher the growth potential. And once you find a product you want to promote, the next step is to create the content to showcase the product. So in terms of creating good content on the product, you don't need to reinvent the wheels. You can simply look at what's already working and you add something creative or different to it to make it your own version. So fastmoss makes it really easy because you can just scroll down and go to the related video section. We can go to not sponsored and you can see all the different type of videos that have been doing really well with this product. And this video, for example, has gotten over 133,000 views and generated over $2,400 of sales. And we can take a look at the video.
One of the greatest boat experiences of my life.
Wow.
God, it fits look good.
Wow, what's going on?
Heck, these fans right here. Check them bad boys out.
Is solar powered?
Yeah, they're solar powered, so an area in Dino where you can cut the grass.
I'm about to get Alex one whenever we go fishing, and I'm gonna get Dad one for Father's Day. You think he'll like it?
Oh yeah, they'll love it. They're already in love. I like this thing.
Feels like a deal out here.
Keeps the sun on food, getting cool where you're at.
So that is just one example of a simple TikTok video that is promoting a useful product. Next, we're going to touch on what makes the TikTok go viral. So TikTok is all about retention. Here's what I've seen work consistently on the platform. You want to use a super strong hook, so something that stops the scroll in the first few seconds of the video. It could be visual or audible, or better yet, you could use both. Next is to keep the pacing quick. You want to avoid any dead moments in your video, and you can consider to incorporate using trending sounds. And if your video flopped, don't sweat it. It happens to everybody. Just tweak, post again, and keep testing. Lastly, let's talk about some of the common mistakes that beginners make. First, they promote low commission or boring products. They copy videos without changing anything. So you definitely want to avoid that. They don't have a strong hooks in the beginning of the videos, and some of them quit after making just a few videos and don't see results. Remember that TikTok Shop affiliate is a volume game. Just keep improving with every post and trust the algorithm to reward the work over time. The only way you won't succeed with this is that if you quit. So to sum up how to make money with TikTok Shop affiliate is simple. All you really need is solid products, create good videos, and to stay consistent with it. I'll leave all the links you need down below in the description. Go find your first product and make your first video, and let's start printing.